In this video, let's understand how to make a simple animation. Scroll up the timeline, then select the cube, right click, select insert keyframe, select location. Then bring this point to 20, then select move the cube towards Y direction, right click, insert keyframe, location, then bring the cursor to 40, so you can bring back to original, right click, insert, location, then bring to 60, then move the cube to this direction, right click, insert keyframe, location, then bring at 80, so along the Y direction, so bring to original location, right click, insert keyframe, location. You are done now. So take the timeline to beginning, then run the program. You are done your one more setup you need to do is this timeline 250 frames. Let's increase to 100 as our 80. Now you can see it's moving nicely. You can try this. It's very simple. You don't require any experience or any background. It's simple and very easy. Please try this.